Hi, welcome to MIT App Inventor tutorial series. This is the introduction class and our first class. In this class, we'll know about MIT App Inventor, the App Inventor dashboard and tools, and create our first app. Okay, the MIT App Inventor is a drag and drop app builder that's only create Android app. So let's start. Okay, now I open a browser and write down appinventor.mit.edu. Okay, here I click on create app. This is the first page. You can scroll down and see here how to get started. Here are some tutorial. Here teaching material here. Here's the community. It's strong community here. Okay, so we need to create app, so that we click here create app. It will redirect in a minute. Until it redirects, we have to wait. Okay, here we click continue. Just close it. Okay, here's the first dashboard. Okay, this is the project tab. From here we can start a new project, import a project. This is .aif format. Here so we can set project. We can build this app as APK or .aab. Here's the setting menu. That's it. Library extension tutorial troubleshooting forums to this. Okay, now we start a new project. You can give anything as you wish. I mean, first step. You should be remember that there is no need to use spaces like that. Okay. So this is our first step. It will redirect in the builder page. Take 6 seconds or minutes. Okay. It will get the builder screen. This is the screen. Here are the tools. In left side, layout, horizontal arrangement, vertical arrangement. Here's the media, camcorder, camera, electrical player, sound recorder, text. We will discuss everything in our next lesson. Here's map, sensors, storage, cloud GB, CHAN GB, CHAN GB, huge list of sensors. Here's the skin. If you add the skin, you have to select here. If you have so many skins, like skin 1, skin 2, skin 3, skin 4, you will find it here. This is the front end, and here's the block that contains all algorithm, control function, etc. in this section. Actually, it consists of two sections, and front end and back end. The front end section is the design section, back end section is block section. We have to work first in our front end section. Okay, we click on layout, to choose vertical arrangement. Select here center, around vertical center, height pre-parent. Okay, width pre-parent. Okay, now I select a button, the drop here. Okay, and select the image. here. Okay, yes. Here we rename the button. Just click me. Okay, but you see here there's a change, so we change here the text. Click me. Okay, now click on the image. After the image here, this is the picture. None. Click on none. Upload file. Execute the file. Okay, I see the file. Okay, that's uploaded. Now click the visible button. Okay, uncheck is visible checkbox. Now go to the block. Click on click me. That's the button one. Okay, when click me, click do. We select this. Now we click on image. We choose set image 1 visible to the console logic true. Okay, let's go for that. This is your content. This is your backend. This is the code. Okay. Now build this app as APK. It takes some time. This is ready. Okay, our APK is ready. I download it from here. Download is starting. Okay, downloaded. I installed it to my emulator. There's memo. It's initializing. Just double click on this. Okay, our app is installed already. You open the app. It takes some time. Okay, this is the button. Click me. We click on this button. See what happened. This is the image. Okay, so the app shows that when we click the button, the image will visible. That's it. This is the one of the simplest step to make. This is our first step where we learn about accessing a button and a conditional statement. Okay, thanks for watching.